How to fix Facebook long form video not showing. What is up everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily fix if your long form videos are not showing on Facebook. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let us jump right into the video. So the first thing you want to do is see if the long form video content are showing on your feed. As you can see here, right now it's showing me some reels, but what you really want to do is head over to the video tab, and if you don't find the For You page or the long form video content and you just find the reels, then in that case what you need to do is simply go back to your home screen, tap on your profile, and then head over to the settings menu. Now from here, just scroll down until you find the tab bar, and then tap on customize the bar. So what you have to do here is pin the video tab, so just pin it. And on your feeds tab, you are just going to hide it. So it won't show you your feeds tab, and it will hide you your short form content. So if you go back here, you won't be able to see the feeds content. So if you tap on the long form video content, and now you should be able to see the long form videos. And that's pretty much it. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.